here from the Chloe Bruce Academy, and today I've got another tutorial coming to you with this beauty, the bow star. So we are going to link a neck roll into a whip today. Right, let's get to it. So we're going to link our neck roll into our whip. First things first, we're going to take the bow staff into our alternate hand grip. One hand up, one hand in an underneath hand grip. Mine is my left hand on top, right hand underneath. So I'm going to do a strike out towards my left. From there, I'm going to release that right hand. My left hand is going to take the bow star to the opposite side of my neck. At this point, I'm going to rotate the bow staff, let go of it, and let it come round, okay? Now, where you grab onto this bow staff is super important. If I grab on too close to the center and then try to do my whip, it's going to either hit my body or completely scrape through, which hurts. I've done it many times. So, we've done our strike. When we do this neck roll, it's super important to grab around here on the bow staff, in between the end of the grip tape and the end of the bow, okay? So around a quarter in your bow staff, quarter from the end, all right? Now as long as you grab there, you've got room to move and the whip should go seamlessly, she says, okay? Again, alternate hand grip. We're going into our strike, okay? We're going to release that right arm. Left hand comes around. I'm going to grab onto the bow staff here. At that point, I'm going to then step my left foot in to meet the right and then wind up. Now this is my wind up for the whip. I'm then going to step the right leg out and release that bow staff in a full circle over the body to catch underneath the armpit. So again, from the back, I'm going to release the bow staff out, coming over the top, catching underneath the armpit, and then that's when I'm going to finish. I can go into my palm strike, I can come into an outside block, whatever you wish to finish off your sequence. Let's reverse that. My hand is in this alternate hand grip. I'm going to go into my strike here. Release that right arm, take the left arm around, opposite side of the neck, pass it round and grab in at a quarter of the way down on the bow staff. From there, I'm going to keep it on that top shoulder and do the step. That's my wind up, and then step through with the right, then your hips, and then your bow staff follow. Curl it all the way over the top, catch it under the armpit, and finish your sequence however you wish. Now one thing to remember with this sequence is the power of the whip. So as we come round, we've done our neck roll here, or neck pass. As we come round, the bow staff's on my shoulder, ready to attack. I'm going to step that right leg through. The leg goes first, then the hips, then my body, then the bow staff. And it's that momentum that gets that whip going. Okay, so the bow staff should be the last thing that comes round, and that's powered by your whole body winding up and going ahead before the bow staff. So let's see that one more time. Alternate hand grip into that strike. Right hand comes off, passing it through to that right hand. Stepping through, whipping, and to our finish.